Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Mangoes are in season, so let's make quick and easy eggless mango suji cake. Let's make mango suji cake. We need 1.5 cups of suji, which is semolina. I've taken fine suji, half cup of oil, half cup of milk, 1 cup of mango pulp, half cup of condensed milk, and mix it all together just like so, and then keep the semolina mixture for 15 to 20 minutes so that it fluffs up just like this. Add dry fruits. I am using almonds, pistachio and tutti-frutti. Add couple pinches of cardamom powder. That's totally optional. 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder and these dry fruits. Mix it well and then it's ready for baking. This is a grease pan. I've added some parchment paper, oil and dusted with the all-purpose flour. Alright, so I poured all the batter in the cake tin and garnished this with lots of dry fruits and tutti frutti. So my oven is preheated now. I will be baking it for about 30-35 minutes until it's cooked nicely. Alright, so the cake is baked in about 45 minutes and this is how it looks. And look at this beautiful mango suji cake. Alright, so my mango rava cake is ready. Look at this, it's spongy and nutty flavored. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye. And if you like this recipe, look at more recipes like this on my channel. Please like, share and subscribe if you have not. Thank you.